in into Market Cafe. I'm Ankita with me, Shishi, Sharma, and it is a fresh start to the week. And before we get started with telling you all the cues that you need to watch out for before the start of D Street, let's take stock of how the global markets moved. The Gift Nifty, as we see, shows an implied start of a downtick of almost more than 0.5%. So cuts coming across. In fact, even in the US markets, as we can see, a slew of comments by Donald Trump that weighed in on the markets. In fact, the S&P 500 ended Friday just below the flat line and posted a losing week as traders weighed the latest comments made by President Donald Trump related to Federal Reserve and the geopolitics. Now, the broader market index slipped 0.06%, and the Nasdaq Composite 2 inched down 0.06% to settle in at 23,515. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 83 points, or 0.1% downtick coming in on Dow Jones as well. The three major averages hit their session lows after Trump delivered remarks in the White House on Friday, in which the president said that he'd rather have National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett stay in his current role and that he might not be chosen to become the next Fed chair. And besides that, there were a couple of other news flows coming in as far as the tariffs are also concerned, tariffs in the NATO countries that will be implemented from the 1st of February. So a couple of commentary that came out of US President Donald Trump that really weighed on down the markets, and US markets ended with cuts on Friday. And for Nifty as well, the implied start shows a cut of almost 0.6%.
All right, so that's about the US markets as of now. Even US futures are seen to be declining almost 300 points. But yes, of course, with respect to the commodity world, interesting actions over there because the safe haven demand is seen to be coming back with respect to the gold as well as silver prices. Gold as of now is higher by almost 2%, while silver has inched up 6%. But other than that, it is the commodity basket with respect to the crude that is trading absolutely flat. So no major movements when it comes to the crude oil prices. WTI posts a weekly gain amidst the West Asian tensions. But as of now, Brent crude is trading absolutely flat, while silver as well as gold, the run-up continues and both are trading at their all-time high levels.
All right, so that's how the commodity is shaping up. But let's move